Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for southeast Connecticut. Blizzard warning in effect until 1 a.m. Friday.
It's pretty brutal, this storm.
This afternoon, snow. Areas are blowing snow. Snow may be heavy at times.
We have to do our service.
Total snow accumulation of 12 to 16 inches.
People rely on their personal bills and stuff like that, so we have to do our job no matter what.
Very windy with highs in the upper 20s. North wind surrounds 25 miles per hour, increasing to 30 to 35 miles per hour.
We get a lot of wind out here anyways, but it's not helping.
Gusts up to 45 miles per hour.
Because I gotta throw it all to one side because it's blowing so hard on one side.
Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Chance of snow near 100%.
If you guys don't need to get out there, just stay at home, but we have to do our service.